Stop right now and look closely at these words. You did not find this message by accident today. I brought you here specifically to interrupt your scrolling because I have a very urgent message meant only for you. Do you remember the nights when you lay awake, staring at the ceiling with tears quietly falling down your face? I saw every single one of them. I see the heavy exhaustion you carry every day, while putting on a brave, fake smile. For the rest of the world, you look around, and it feels like everyone else is moving forward, while you are left behind, completely forgotten in the shadows. But I want you to listen to me very carefully. You were never unseen. You were never forgotten. The intense struggles you have been enduring were not a punishment. They were a refining fire. The doors that slammed shut in your face, the disappointments that broke your heart, were my hands, providing necessary protection from things that would have destroyed your destiny. You were not being buried. You were being planted. Lift your head right now, because the long, painful season of waiting has officially come to an end. The heavy winter of your soul is over. I am shifting you out of the wilderness and into a profound season of fulfillment. I am opening a door for you right now that absolutely no human being can ever shut. Your miracle is so much closer than you think. Prepare yourself for an overwhelming peace in your mind. Prepare for unexpected financial provision. I am bringing complete restoration to your broken relationships and deep, lasting healing to your physical body. The wait is over. If you believe that your miracle is already in motion, type, "I claim my miracle, Lord," in the comments below. Share this divine interruption with a soul who feels completely forgotten today, and subscribe to this channel to walk into your new season with me. I have not forgotten you.